No, bro. Okay, this works good. Okay, close that. My frame rates are dropping. I need to... It's because I'm uploading footage. Spy breaking necks both ways now. Lots of people that FOMOed are getting crushed. Yeah, I did see that. It's going crazy, and why I'm not in anything is because of Fed meeting, Fed minutes. Look at that. It literally went up to 429. Oh, I didn't even look at the. It's supported, or it bounced right off that resistance point, which is really nice. Headed back down now. Let's see if we get a bounce here at VWAP. I'm guessing it's going to come down to 427, which is where VWAP is. 427 is right here. 427. Just bounced right off of the, what is this? 50-day EMA, I think. Green. Or 100-day EMA. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so it's about to hit VWAP here. Let's see if it bounces here or if it keeps going down. My frame rates are getting crushed. Okay, we're below that 427 mark. What the heck happened? Is my thing done uploading? Because I'm probably lagging. Probably lagging on my stream. Okay, my stream will get better, guys. Once there's probably like a delay or something. So if in the next like 5 minutes or so, it should be fixed. We'll figure it out together. We're watching it though. Look at this nasty drop in SPY. What the heck just happened there? Okay, I need to figure out what happened here. Maybe it's on Twitter. I gotta look and see. I didn't look at anything that happened in that Fed minute, so let's see what happens here. Oh boy, here we go. Fed sees interest rate hikes continuing until inflation eases substantially. But what does that mean? Does that mean like below 4%, or does that mean below where we started when we started printing so much money? What is this headline? What does that mean specifically? That's what I want to know. Inflation, da da da. So that's probably why that was kind of weird what happened there in the market. I wasn't here for Fed minutes. I was getting my kid ready for bed, or not bed, for school. But there was a pump right when the Fed released that statement or whatever it was, which I need to look more into it because I don't know. But I was gone this whole hour, and then it just dropped off the face of the earth. The document also reflected the idea that once the Fed gets comfortable with its policy stance and sees it having an impact on inflation, it can start to take its foot off the policy brake. Okay. So that just means that, I mean, we already knew that they were probably going to keep increasing interest rates. Oh, okay. So it says right here, they want it to 2%. And we're at 8.5% right now, guys. We're at 8.5%, and it looks like the Fed wants it back to 2%. And when that is going to happen, I do not know. And who knows what's going to happen for the month of August. Yeah, 8.5. We're at 8.5 now. So there's just a little bit of worry in the markets with that. I don't know why the market pumped then. If anyone can tell me why the market pumped. Yeah, 2%. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Like, what? They're going to have to do some, like, major things. They can't just be keep printing money. Like, Biden just signed, like, a $1 trillion bill for taxes and inflation relief, which is literally so weird to me. It doesn't make any sense. Print more money to make inflation better does not make sense to me. Man, SPY is dropping off of the face of the earth. Look at this, guys. Okay, so calls went above a lot, and then you saw the pump, and then calls started coming down, and puts are starting to go up now. So I've stayed out of the market today, other than like maybe a little, like one trade earlier. But I'm staying far away from this mess today. Okay, the minutes noted that some members worried the Fed would overdo it with rate hikes, underscoring the importance of not being tied to forward guidance on moves and instead of following the data. Yeah, I'm a little worried on that too. Like, when is it gonna end? Like, is it gonna end at 2%? Because that means that interest rates could go well above like 10%, which is insane. What are interest rates at right now? Like 7? Isn't it close to 7%? Okay, 3 minutes left, guys, on this upload. I know my frame rates are dropping on this stream. Okay, I gotta change this song. This song is freaking booty. What a mess, bro. What the heck is this? Okay, so there's the bearish momentum. Yeah, no clear flow today. You see that? Yeah, you can see right here. I did get into puts when it was like this, when there was a wide divergence and calls were coming down. I got into puts right here, and I made like a little bit of money, but it reversed and I got out at like break even. I made like 10% on half of my contracts, and then I went break even on the rest. I'm glad I got out of those because I saw calls spike like right around this area. That was the only trade I got in today. Yeah, calls spiked here, and it kind of, you can see what happened after that. It crossed, and we pumped later, and now we're dropping again. Might get interesting here in the next 30 minutes, guys, of the market. I need this to be done uploading. I'm sorry. Yeah, that Fed minutes was weird. I don't know why it pumped. And if any of you guys can tell me why the market pumped after that news, please tell me why that pumped. Maybe this? Let's see. I don't really like Yahoo Finance. Bloomberg is dope. I need to get their subscription. Okay, this is a good quote right here. As the stance of monetary policy tightened further, it likely would become appropriate at some point to slow the pace of policy rate increases while assessing the effects of cumulative policy adjustments on economic activity and inflation. So, I mean, that's a little bit better from that last article. I'm just hearing that quote from whoever this was. Who was this? Who said this? Oh, it doesn't even say. Anyways, someone on the maybe Powell. I don't know. I can't see it, but that puts me at ease just a little bit that they might start slowing down on policy rate increases, because like the past like 3 months we've gone up. Like, I want to say like 4%, right? In interest rate hikes, maybe a little bit less, 3%. I don't know the exact number. Okay, let's see if this plays out. This momentum indicator came out. It's not very big, but We'll see if we keep continuing down. We might come back up, retest VWAP or something, and then come back down. Is my thing done uploading yet? It's almost done. What's up, Wickeds? No more trades for me today, but I figured I'd tune in. Hey, appreciate you, bro. You don't have to be in here to trade. That's not the reason. How'd you do on those Microsoft calls, though? Hopefully you got out before the drop. It was probably good for you, though, Wickeds, right? Unless I got a $40 play. You never know. I might pull a fast one and get some spy puts or something. As of right now, looking at this flow, I'm not going to get into anything. Both calls and puts are above 0, which is not... I don't like that at all. It just... As you could tell, you were there when I was trading puts here. Calls were still above, but like I thought this divergence was good. We caught a little bit of a downside here. But yeah, you can see what happened after that. Calls started going crazy. Better without any music. Is it too loud? I can turn it down a little bit if you guys don't like it. I'll turn it down just a little bit. Oh. Is my stream lagging for you guys anymore, or is it good? Because I was uploading some drone footage. It's still uploading a little bit, but it should be, it's done now. Yeah, I turned it down just a little bit for you. I'm sorry. I think my voice is loud enough though, because I have my microphone set up all the way. Should be fine. Yeah, I have a... Let's look at some tweets and maybe we can find some... I like to listen to opinions rather than... Oh, that's an old one. I like listening to Kevin too. Kevin's a good guy to follow. The AlgoFlow divs are dark pool stuff. That was really cool. Want to talk about that? Yeah, that's not dark pool. It's literally the AlgoFlow divergences is what it is. I can explain that a little bit more. So let's just pull up the Discord, huh? We'll just do that instead. Okay, here's the Discord. If we type T AlgoFlow divs, it pulls up all of the tickers that have divergences within the last, like, I guess whenever... It's a AI bot, so I mean, I can't really explain how it works, but it spits out... Hold on, there's someone at my door, I'm sorry. It spits out information on the biggest divergences, so if it's bearish, if there's a divergence in the flow of the stocks, it will spit out a bearish or bullish sentiment right here. And this is just within the last hour right here. So 1421 has Walmart, Intel, DIA, Ford, ExxonMobil, TSM, Intel, Amazon, Walmart. It's got all these. So it looks like Walmart had two. Gosh, I'm getting text all over the place. So if I pull this up, it might be easier to see like this. So Walmart had 2. So if we dive deep more into Walmart, this just gives you an idea of like tickers you can play off of their divergences. So if we go AlgoFlow Walmart. Oh gosh, after all that, my upload failed. Okay, so look at this divergence here. So this is the stock price of Walmart, this yellow line right here. And this is the divergence. So what this algo score line is, it's literally the combination of calls and puts into one. So it's almost exactly the same as NetFlow. And I can just show you what NetFlow looks like compared to AlgoFlow. It's literally the same exact thing. It's just averaged together. So AlgoFlow and NetFlow are the same. AlgoFlow is just one line instead of 2 with calls and puts, if that makes sense. So you can see here that calls are a lot higher than puts here on Walmart. And since the price of Walmart fell so hard, that creates a divergence. And that's what you see here on the AlgoFlow. You can see that the price here is really low at like 139.5. And then the algo score or the algo divergence is really high. Does that make sense? You pulled up Darkflow data? Yeah, I did. Oh, you said and. I thought you said AlgoFlow dividend or divergences were the same as Darkpool. That's my bad. I misread it. Yeah, Darkflow data. There's Darkflow data too. I don't use it that much, but I was kind of messing around with it lately. And if you guys want to mess around with the bots in this in the Discord, you can always pull up the bot command channel, and I put all of the commands in there. Algo divergence is hit or miss. Yeah, it is. It is, especially with individual stocks. I have seen that, and that's why I just use Market NetFlow usually. But I mean, nonetheless, having this, it definitely limits the error you can do when getting into plays using algo divergence. Like I'd say this increase your chances of win rate just by using this tool, rather than just like saying like this, like T algo flow Tesla. So let's say I just want to play Tesla for some reason today, and I just pull that up, and I'm like, oh, that's a pretty large like algo divergence. Let me just play that. If that makes sense. So like using the AlgoFlow divs like this, it definitely spits out some good information here. And what the way this bot works is it spits it out at like a pretty good time, like a good entry position, because it notices how wide the divergence is. So if I go through all these, you'll be able to tell like why the bot spit that out. So like, let's go to Amazon. Let's see the Amazon divergence, and you'll be able to tell it's bearish. So we'll go AlgoFlow Amazon. So I'm guessing the algo score will be really low because of how bearish it is. If it works, come on, come on. There it is. See, it's not too crazy, but I mean that alert came out a while ago. At the top of the hour, so like 24 minutes ago. So like, I mean, it probably came out like above here. I can't really tell exactly, but this chart is kind of limited on the data. I feel like it doesn't work, but I like the AlgoFlow divs. It seems good, but yeah, you just gotta trust it, honestly. If the divergence is that big, because I used to play these kind of a little bit, I've always noticed that it always has came back to its divergence within like 1 or 2 days. Walmart bullish, not in real life. Yeah, I mean, we can watch it. We'll pay attention to Walmart because that divergence is pretty big. We'll just take a peek at Walmart. We'll keep it on our watch list. Straight down. But you also got to remember it just had earnings yesterday. So, I mean, there's going to be some chop and like some crazy volatility. You always have to keep that in mind because when like news comes out, especially earnings, it goes buck wild, guys. Like, that's why I steer far away from earnings usually, is because it's just so risky. Okay, so calls are coming up a little bit here. Puts are coming down, but still it's net positive. I swear Walmart better not go up. I mean, with the data, bro, the data says it's going up, so I don't know. We could probably do a little bit deeper analysis on Walmart if you wanted to. Let's take a deeper dive into Walmart. So here's the algo flow divergence. This is literally the same chart as what I was showing you on the Discord. You can see the weekly contracts are definitely green. There's no red there, but I mean, it's not even that large of positions. They're like in the lower 100,000. And there's net flow. They got a lot of flow before earnings. That's why. See that? And then they got a lot of flow today. It looks like they're targeting 145, 142, 143, and then 145. What is Walmart? I don't know. My prediction is probably tomorrow it's gonna head back up to this high of day. I'm gonna draw that line there, and then we'll come back to it tomorrow. What do you say? It's kind of a nasty head and shoulders, but I mean, I don't really care about patterns. So we got support there, bounce. It's probably going to come back down to this support level at 139 and then bounce. There's no point. We'll watch it still. We'll still watch it and see what happens. We'll see if the data's right here, because this divergence is pretty big. Like 164, that's pretty good. Let's look at market flow. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, Philip. Felipe. Kind of a boring day. I want to have a stream that's like really awesome, like during power hour where we're in a trade, the divergence is really good, and we get into a trade and it like prints at the last hour. I'm waiting for that day. Cause look, this is boring. There's no momentum. The premiums are so close together. So dumb. Yellow dotted lines there. What are you talking about? Live stream trade. It's so hard for me to. I don't know if you were here, Wickeds, when I was talking about it yesterday, but it's hard for me to go live during the day because I'm watching my toddler. It's really hard for me to go live during the day. And that's why I've been streaming like last hour of the market, because I drop her off at school and then I get right on right after that. And she's only at preschool for 2 hours. And that's when I stream. But I said, this is what I did say. If we can get a bunch of people in my stream, like at least 20 people or more, then I have no problem like live streaming during the day and doing live stuff with you guys. Instead of just doing it for like an hour and a half every day at close. There were dotted lines on market net flow. Where? These dotted lines in the back? I mean, it's a bar graph. Oh, are you talking about these white ones right here? It's just support and resistance line that I can take them off. You talking about these in the back? It is a fair excuse. I would like to go live a lot more and like pretty much all day. But one, I would get really tired of listening to myself talk. And I'm a pretty boring person. That's one. And then two, I have my kid. Which she can be a handful sometimes. She gets into everything, bro. There were yellow ones coming off stock price. Oh, these? Those are anchored VWAPs. They don't have, I don't know why those show up on my chart because they removed that tool on this chart. But it's just anchored VWAPs. It's like a glitch or something on here. I used to use them all the time. But yeah, they since removed that on this chart, so I can't use them anymore. They like show up randomly. You see, like they just disappeared. I don't know why they do that. I used to use them, but like they pop up from time to time. They're just anchored VWAPs. Just an indicator. Is this the bounce on Walmart? Is this the bounce on Walmart? What are we missing here, ladies and gentlemen? Anything interesting? My Twitter feed is kind of crazy sometimes. Listen, look at this. A woman who is accused of driving over 90 miles per hour in a school zone told an officer that she was only pulled over because she was black. Oh, that's great. Calls are coming down. I'm so glad I'm not in this mess right now. You were thinking of getting Crimson's algo? Bro, it's not worth it. I'm telling you that right now. Waste of money. You can get shit like that for free on TradingView. Like, look at this. I'll be able to tell you right now. I used to use this, but I don't anymore. Now that I just use Flow. But check this out. If I can find it. Is it this one? Yeah, look, I have this. This algo. Let's see what else I have. There's another one. Where is it? Maybe I don't have it anymore. Super trend. Here it is. This one too. This one's free. Now, there's a bunch of algos out there, but I do not trust them as much as my own self. But I mean, you can always backtest and like do your thing, you know, with this kind of stuff. You think so? I don't have TradingView, and Algo gives access to it. Yeah, TradingView is like the only. I guarantee you, his algo is almost similar to this, if not the same thing, the same coding. And TradingView is the only software that he uses. TradingView for sure. Calls going up. Nope. SPY's going up, but calls are going down. Puts are going up. I'm going to be honest with you, though. I don't trust them, really. But that's just my opinion. I haven't used them that much, so what I say probably doesn't even matter. I would like to combine algo with flow. Obviously, I'm working on my trend validation on entry and exit, so figured it. Yeah, I mean, if you want to use it for that, I mean, it doesn't hurt, right? But I don't know. I don't know if you should pay for something when there's things for free out there. Like I have these two that are free, or just I think one of them is free. This Cobra one, I worked with the guy that made this one. There's Walmart. Walmart's shot up 30 cents. He's posted pictures about it. What has he posted pictures of? I'm sure it's similar to like this. It's just buy, sell, right? And then it probably has the EMA. It's probably got the EMA waves to make it look fancy, right? Like, I hate people that do that. Like, no offense to him. I'm not bagging on him or anything. But like, people make their charts look all fancy and then it makes them look smart when in reality it's just fancy stuff on a chart. TradingView, I don't even pay for TradingView, bro. Like, this is the free version. This is the free version of TradingView. So let me see if I can find. I think there's an indicator that has like those waves. Is it Weiss waves? No, it's not Weiss waves. And do those work? Wait, what? Reword your question, Wickeds. Do you think you could trade for a day and be profitable from those algos? I don't know. I haven't tried it in a long time, bro. It's been like at least a year. I mean, you can always try it. Like, do it for free. That's what I'm saying, bro. Before you buy anything, do it for free first. Yeah, man. I don't like when people have like crazy, weird, like charts. Like, I could do that and then make myself look like the smartest trader of all time, which I'm not. But I mean, I hate people that do that. Make their charts look all crazy and then just totally brag about it, you know? I know there's a... there's a EMA wave thing that I had. It's not this one. It's not Cypher Waves. I don't know if I have it added. I don't. I'd have to find it. Is there an indicator in TradingView similar to the Traditics NetFlow? No, there's nothing similar to that at all. It's just the Discord. On my Discord I have it, and then on their website. There's no indicator on TradingView for that kind of stuff. Puts coming up. Oh boy. Okay, and we're bear flagging here. Look at this. Check this out, ladies and gents. Now, I'm not a big pattern drawer, but when I see stuff like this, that's a clear sign of coming back down here. So I'm going to leave that drawn, and we'll see what happens. Oh, we only have 15 minutes left in the market. Look, it's already breaking. We'll leave that drawn, and then you can see what's happening here with the market. So you can kind of predict just with the flow what's going to happen. So puts are coming up a lot, calls coming down, and we're bear flagging here. I think I can draw on this, can I? No, I can't. Check Discord DM for pics. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, bro, it's the same shit. It's literally, yeah, he's got the the Elliott Wave Rainbow indicator, which is BS to me. I don't understand why parallel lines mean anything. And then he's got those buy sells. It's the same shit, bro. It's the same thing as this. It's the same thing as the super trend. Look. And I could do this for like any ticker. See, like this would have been a good buy here, and you could probably compare it to Flow. I mean that's a good buy right there. This one shot up about $3, and then here it did the sell indicator. Be careful with Crimson. I subbed for a month and a few days and wanted to cancel auto renew, and it took away my access to his Discord. See, man, like that's the thing. I'm gonna take care. If I have customers, I'm gonna take care of them. Look what's happening, guys. There's the bear flag. I don't have it drawn on TradingView, but check this. This is Webull. It's breaking. You gotta take care of your customers. Thanks for the heads up, man. I'm on my free month and was debating on getting algo and Discord access. You guys are still getting charged? I can't believe you guys just don't come chill with me for free. Oh, baby. Look. We're about to cross. Look. What'd I tell you? Beautiful. Beautiful move. Not even that much. I mean, 50 cents, but still. I wonder if the buy sells are in the same place. Yeah, take a peek, bro. What, we can compare if you want, Wickeds. We can compare charts of whatever you have here. I think that's SPY, right? Yeah, that's SPY on the move today, right? So let's see. Here's SPY, and this is the buy right here on the move. Bro, I caught it before, unless that's a minute. What time frame? Oh, that's a 3-minute chart. So let's go to 3-minute. It's the same, bro. Look. I do chill with you, but as you said, you're busy during the day. Oh, I'm in chat all the time, bro. All the time. I'm up during market too. I just don't talk that much right when I wake up. That's the problem. See, this would have been a good buy. Let's see. Let's compare that to Flow, huh? When was this? We got alerted of a buy at 9:35. When was that? 9:35 right here. Right? Is that right? 9:35? Yeah, so calls were going up here at when it alerted right there on here at 9:35. Calls were ramping already. So I mean, this sell would have been kind of bad. This buy would have been bad. Just got to be careful, I guess. Yeah, how much does he charge? Doesn't he charge like $60? It's absurd. Okay, premiums are so close together, guys. We broke out of that bear flag, but we're kind of just chilling right here at support of the low. There's the bear flag we drew, just so you guys know. Broke out of the bear flag, came back up, retested the 50 moving average, coming back down again. Which makes sense right here. Right here. Look at this. Puts coming up, calls going down, and look what happened. Exactly. Beautiful. Yeah, I bet, bro. He's probably raking it in. Here it is. It's so pretty. There it goes, baby. Goodbye. That would have been a good put. Premiums are just chilling. See ya. Smell ya later, boys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's a dollar move down. We're going to get wild here in the next 5 minutes. Market close. Why didn't you play puts again? Because the reason why I didn't was because I don't like playing plays when both the premiums are positive. It's just bit me in the butt too many times when premiums are positive. Now, if calls were maybe even close to zero, I would have gotten into it for sure. But I'd say that's like it worked out, obviously, as you can see. But because the net premiums are positive, I don't mess with that. I just stay out. And calls were still above, which is still risky too. They're crossing right now. They're touching. Touching. Yeah, and it was at close, so look, it's already coming back up. Like the last 10 minutes get kind of crazy. Let's look at Walmart though, huh? Walmart's staying strong, right? Or no? Yeah, I mean, it's still staying strong. It did come up a little bit. There's SPY coming back up. That's crazy. Premium's chilling. Those are some big puts for November. Big puts for Apple came out. Oh, they rejected. Let me look on Discord for Apple. Flo is still bullish for Apple. Yeah, there's some big puts on Apple. Pretty large. Large puts on Apple. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 4 minutes left, guys. Mm. Dude, the market is so ridiculously strong. It's absurd. There's no call selling at all. Oh, this was yesterday. All those Microsoft calls. Yeah. Last 2 minutes, guys. It's getting kind of crazy. You guys can see on yeah, you can see it. Yeah. So the premiums, they look like they ran across, but then they just rejected. That's another reason why I don't get into anything unless one of them are below zero. When one of the premiums are below zero, then there's a clear trend in the market. As of right now, it's just kind of, I mean, we're still negative on the day, but we've kind of just been kind of flat most of the day. We're literally back where we were right at open today. Anything else, fellas, you guys want me to talk about? We're heading out to the last minute of market here. Just like scrolling through. Scrolling through Twitter to see if there's anything interesting. Nothing really information wise that I wanted to read. How did Bed Bath & Beyond end up today? Oh, dang, it went down a lot. Bed Bath & Beyond is done. Only when green or red line is below zero, you take a trade. Not, I mean, most of the time, yeah. I'd say that most of the time, I only take trades when the green or red line is below zero. So we can go back in time and see when that was. Did we do it one on? Yeah. So this day was a really good day, Monday, because look, the red line was below zero, and we had a nice, really good bullish trend. When this happened below zero or at zero, see how it was mostly at zero most of the day? We got into a really good bullish trade here. And look how it just stayed bullish all day pretty much. It went from like 426, where it was at zero, 426 to 429. That was a good trade. Now, let's go to Friday. I think Friday was one too. Yeah, look. Friday was an excellent example of what happens. Look how the red line is below zero all day. And look at the trend. 422 to 426.50. Like a $4 move. That's why. And we can just keep backtesting all of them and see which is good. So like, look at this. See the chop that happens here? It's a downtrend sort of. But like, look, calls and puts are going up at the same time. So it's not that big of a move. And flow traders were kind of like iffy. They have no idea what they're doing. So that's why I didn't get in on that day. I probably did. I just can't remember. And here's another one. This one wasn't as crazy as the one on Friday and Monday. But look, this one, clear direction, guys. $30 million in calls, negative 20. Bullish. 417 to 419. It's that easy. Look at this chop. This is a good example of what's going on here. See how puts are above, but also calls are above. And here, this is just a mess. Like, it's so close together, and they're not even like, they're like at zero most of the day. And like the price does the same thing. It's just from 412 to 411, like all day long. Not much move after initial move of the previous screen. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about today? Yeah, which one are you talking about, Malik? Oh my gosh, Bed Bath & Beyond is taking a dump right now. Holy. Look at this. The first example you showed, was it the one from Monday? You talking about this one? Yeah, this one was really good. I'd have to go back and see exactly what I got into this day, but you can see clearly what happened in the morning. So we kind of came up a little bit. I just let the market do its thing during the morning, but you can see that there were calls going up and puts were kind of staying flat here, hovering around zero, which is really good in my eyes. And then once I got even closer, you can see it came down to zero here, and then that, oh, why did it go away? Yeah, so when it got close to zero here, you can see that the move happened. I'm pretty sure on Monday we caught this big move here. But we have a $10 million divergence between calls and puts, which is really good. But yeah, this move was insane. For like 420. So let's just say that we got in at 426, which is like right here. Excuse me. Why does it keep going away? Anyways, yeah, 426 to 429. That's really good. And it stayed constant, so it allowed you to stay in the trade. So calls were just staying constant like this most of the day, and just puts were staying well below zero. Does free TradingView not let you look at minute charts? Yeah, you can look. 1 minute. This is a 1 minute chart. Look at the Bed Bath & Beyond sell-off, guys. Holy cow. It's since come up a little bit, but sheesh. It takes like 1 minute between my typing and you seeing. Oh, is there a little bit of a delay? Jeez, see you later, Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, man. Bed Bath & Beyond is still tanking. My goodness. Down 6% after hours. My word. 7%. Almost 8%. 8%. Jeez. Okay, get this. I don't want this music on here. Sup, Shotty? What's up, Mike? You said that there's an hour left in market, but it closed 9 minutes ago, bro. So you're definitely smoking something. You are for sure smoking that good. Watching Bed Bath & Beyond take a dookie. Oh, man. 8.5%. We're going to need to meet offline for my TradingView setup. No problem, bro. I can help you out with that. I don't use TradingView that much, but for the sake of stream, I use it. I normally I like the simplicity of Webull, and I can just trade off the same thing, but yeah. TradingView is still dope. I know how to navigate it. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond did an offering? Really? Where's that tweet? Where's that tweet, bruh? I don't see Bed Bath & Beyond news. Are you for sure? I see nothing. That would for sure be on my top feed. Oh, man. It's down 13.5% right now. Oh, oh, mama. Where's the news? Let's see. I'll just type in Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, yep. Ryan Cohen filed a form SC13DA for 9.5 million shares. Dang. Dang, bro. Wait, this dude says he didn't sell Learn to Read the Filing. I love reading about. This dude says, I hope Ryan Cohen enjoys prison. Yeah, he hasn't sold yet, but he did an offering, so GG's to anyone holding that. Oh my goodness. You were right. Winston 1999. What is that? It takes a lot to shock me these days. Was expecting a Bed Bath & Beyond share offering, not Ryan Cohen to gamma whip the market and then sell off his entire stake. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond. The Beyond is Ryan Cohen's selling all of his shares. Yeah, those $11 million in calls must be burning. Look at this. Smell you later, bro. 13 down 13% after hours. Oh man, that's a huge rip. So from my understanding, when he mails that in, it doesn't mean that he sold them yet, but he just filed to sell them. 9.5 million shares. Yikes. RIP in the chat. So glad I don't have Bed Bath & Beyond anything. That's what happens. Freaking pigs get slaughtered. Gents, take your profits when you see them. That's a crazy run up, though. I'm not gonna lie. It went from like $12 in like 2 days. It went all the way up to 30. Let's look at SPY. SPY is up a tad after hours. All right, Wickeds, if you're in here, bro, hit me up on Discord, since no one's really in here anymore, I don't think. Oh, we got Malik in here. Oh, see you later, Malik, bro. Thanks for stopping by, my man. Hopefully I'll see you in another one. I know you were in here earlier. But I appreciate you coming in and creating conversation with me. It helps me out a lot. So, thanks for chilling with me. What did Tradie tweet? Philip's in here. What about Wickeds? Is Wickeds in here? Okay, so Tradie is the platform I use for market flow. Philip, yeah, see you tomorrow, brother. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna get off probably. I wish it would be more exciting, but I hope you guys learned a little bit more today. and I'm glad that you guys were able to stop by and talk with me for a little bit. Hopefully, we'll grow more people in here over time. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow.